Albin Components are a sub-supplier for heavy trucks, automotive, construction equipment. Our business area are shaved and grinded gears, parts with splines, and assembly parts. My name is Zlatan Okanovic. I'm the manager of the production engineering. In my daily work I lead and develop the engineering, the measuring room department, as well as the tool makers. Since we invested in the 3D printer, we have reduced the working hours from the tool makers for approximately about 80 hours a month and make some reduced costs for about 4,000 and 5,000 euros a month. Today we use SolidWorks to design production equipment as a fixture for measuring, clamping fixtures. We also make simulation for assembly process and design work and measuring instructions. We are using the Markforged 3D printer, and we choose it because we can print out in different strong materials as carbon. And that was important for us to replace other materials from steel. A big benefit for the production has been that the lead time, for example, measuring fixtures, has been reduced from 4 to 6 weeks to 1 to 2 days. For example, if the production wants a fixture, we can print it at the night and the next day they have it in the production. To set up the printer took less 1 day. The day after we were up running. One fun example was that we wanted to print it out a round fixture, and the fixture was too big for the printer. So we sat down and wanted to come up with some ideas to redesign it. And one day one engineer just asked, does the fixture have to be round? The fixture was round only because that was the easiest way to manufacture it traditionally, so we printed it out with another shape. We have a long and good relationship with the PLM Group since we were invested in SolidWorks. That's why we choose them for 3D printing also, so we have one supplier for everything. Now we can print out parts, so we can make measuring programs in the measuring machines before we have the real part. That's a big benefit. We can reduce the stopping time in the production. Internally we use it to print out parts that we are quoting, to give the management and the marketing an idea how the parts look like. Before investing in the 3D printing, we had long lead times, and sometimes we have to outsourcing the tool making because of the high working load. Since investing in the printer, we have reduced the need to outsource the tool making. Working with the printer is easy. The printer has a cloud software. You just upload this SDF file and send it to the printer. And it works very well with the SolidWorks software. Our hopes for the future is to further integrate 3D printing in the production. For us, 3D printing has become as natural as 3D CAD.